Advanced English Vocabulary with Urdu meanings. Part 2. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. 11. Inducement, noun.
ترغيب رغبة بيس.
Example, companies were prepared to build only in return for massive inducements. 12. Embolden, verb.
हौसला अफजाई करना कुभारना.
Example, emboldened by the claret, he pressed his knee against hers. 13. Contravene, verb.
खिलाफ वर्जी करना मुखालफत करना.
Example, he contravened the Official Secrets Act. 14. Buoyancy, noun.
उभरने की सलाहियत उछाल.
Example, we hope that the economy will maintain its buoyancy. 15. Narrative, noun.
अफसाना किस्सा कहानी. Example, a gripping narrative.
16. Assertive, adjective.
खुद एतमाद. दावा से कहने वाला.
Example, the job may call for assertive behaviour. 17. Galvanize, verb.
मुतहर्रिक करना तकलीफ जस्ती.
Example, the urgency of his voice galvanized them into action. 18. Burgeon, verb.
ऊंचा शगुफा. कुल्ली बढ़ाना.
Example, the city's suburbs have burgeoned, sprawling out from the center. 19. Precarious, adjective.
गैर मुस्तहकम फर्जी. Example, a precarious laden.
20. Insulate, verb.
ढांकना महफूज बनाना.
Example, insulate and draft-proof your home. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.